Hi everyone, Manu Vinci here, and today I'm going to be replying to a few questions that have been asked to me from one of you, from one of my subscribers in this email list that I try to contact as often as I can. And her question was how to start without capital. And I'm glad that she asked these questions because this is exactly how I started. 3 years ago, I didn't have much capitals to start with, so my response to this question would be to start as drop shipping. So you will have to find suppliers that will allow you to advertise their products on Amazon without buying inventory upfront. So that means that you will have a supplier that will let you put, for example, 100 products on your website, and every time you get a sale, you will purchase this product after you've been paid from the customer. Therefore, if you are, for example, if you are selling this mouse, you are going to sell it for £10 or $10, and let's say that you are buying it for $5 from your wholesaler or supplier, the retailer, then you'll have the £10 or $10 into your account. You will place the order for £5 onto your supplier, which will send it directly to your customer, and you will keep the difference. So this is how you start building your business with no capital upfront. So if you repeat this over and over and over again, let's say that you've got um, 1,000 products at some point with easily achievable within a couple of months. And if you're making £3 profit per product, you will be making about £3,000 in profit within 3 to 6 months, depending on how hard you can work on it. It took me, for example, 3 months to retire from my previous 9 to 5 job. After 3 months, I had already 4 people working in my team, which you can easily find, for example, in the Philippines. They are great people, great workers, and I was averaging $60,000 per month, which was giving me over $6,000 in net profit. And I quit my job at that point, allowing me to focus 100% on my Amazon business. So I hope that answers your question. The next question that I was asked, and also if a little bit more details, if you want to find suppliers for drop shipping, Google is your best friend. So you can, I've got some sources that you can use, but by all means, I always tell my customers to be resourceful. So if you look for drop shipping suppliers, you will get a lot of links that you can start hitting and contacting. So there are a lot of directories where you can search for drop shippers that allow you to find thousands of products where you can. So I usually use this one, resources.co.uk, and let's say you want to sell on the see, I had already searched drop shipping in there. So if I search, for example, on the sport and leisure or dropship electrical products, there you go. You will find loads of people that are wholesalers. I would advise you to start from wholesalers or distributors, and you just would contact each one of them and see what you can do from there. And all this is free, so you don't need to have any extra spending. So the next question that was asked was what's the minimum amount someone can start with? So obviously, to have a business, to run a business, there will be some expenses, right? These expenses are you will need an Amazon Seller Central account, where you will be starting to advertise the products that you will list, and that costs £25 excluding VAT per month if you are selling in the UK, which will allow you to sell all over Europe. Then you've got the Amazon Seller Central US if you want to start selling in the United States, which costs $39 per month, 99 cents, plus additional selling fees. The additional selling fees are like Amazon keeps 15% of each sale, but it gets taken off of your sale, so you don't even notice that. And then you will need, if you are drop shipping, to have an inventory management tool which will keep track of the inventory of your suppliers on automation without you having to check each product if it's in and out of stock. So these products plug in into your seller central and will update that stock automatically as soon as the supply goes out of stock or in stock. So you don't need to do that. So that there are different ones. There are one that up to 200 items. It costs $14.99. And one that costs $50, depending on which software you are using and your capital, what you can spend. And then you need a repricer, which will help you to keep on top of the competition. So as you know, suppliers go up or down in costs, and the repricer will be connected to your seller central and your inventory management tool, or you can do an upload every hour to it, or whenever you can, a couple of times a day, updating the costs from your suppliers, and the repricer will in exchange update all your prices into your seller central account so that you will never sell at loss. So the total monthly expense in the UK is I just calculated $147 if you would do it in the UK. So I don't know how much that is in pounds. So let's just quickly calculate what's $147 would be in pounds. So it will be £112 if you are selling in the UK, and if you are selling in the US, that would be let's get back into the presentation, would be $39.99 initial cost plus the repricer, let's say $14.99 plus the repricer 100. So this is a $14.99 for the inventory management tool and $100 for the repricer. So in the US, you'll be spending about $154 per month. So this is the minimum amount that you can start with. There are a lot of other softwares that you can use as you grow to give you an accurate, for example, selling estimated sales per month. But you can do all this for free, and I'll show you how in the next screen. But certainly, this must be the cheapest business to run, because let's think about building a house. How many bricks do you need? Sand, cement, labor. So how much would it cost to build a house? To build this business is much cheaper. And obviously, I always advise to get a mentor, which you can get for very cheap prices nowadays. And I'm not in any way trying to get you to sign up to any of my courses. This is completely free advice that I'm giving you. But obviously, when you get a mentor, it will shorten that learning curve rather than you trying to figure everything out by yourself. And you could actually make money much faster than trying to figure it out all by yourself. Now, the next question that I got asked was what one can sell to make some profit and then take it out from there. So there are sourcing techniques that allow you to find products in any category, any supplier, any niche. This is something that everybody asks me. Yeah, but what do you sell? Believe me, I sell everything in any category. It's like if you go into a shop where there are empty shelves. I haven't got much choice in that to buy, so your business will not grow because there is not much choice. But the more products you've got on the shelves, the more opportunities to sell products to customer you have got. And let's say that I get in just to get some bread and milk, and I come out with a lot of other things that I didn't even plan to buy. So the more opportunities you got on your store, think about your store as a shop that you want your shelves full of stuff to sell, the more opportunities to make money you will have. So there isn't a gold product as such that makes you millionaire, right? But if you go 100 of them, you will probably become a millionaire, because if you go 100 products making you $5 each per sale, and let's say you are selling 100, 200 times a month. Let's do a few calculations. So let's say you've got 100 products. Each product makes you $5 profit, right? Let's say that you're selling them, I don't know, 50 times a month. So you're making a 25,000 profit right there, right then with 100 products, right? So this is the way that things work. And there are techniques that I can also quickly show you in a moment. And so yeah, if you got loads of them, you could probably become a millionaire. None of those gurus that you see out there, they are millionaires, if they are millionaires, right? that is, they made it straight away. They've also started from where you will be starting with no capital, no money, and I can guarantee you that is possible because this is exactly how I started 3 years ago. You just have to find the products. Everything needs a little hard work to start with. So best thing to keep in mind when sourcing a product on Amazon are the bestseller ranking, and I will show you what that means. Estimated sales per month, competition, and review. So let's get into Amazon.com and I'll show you what I mean by all that. So Amazon, we can go on Amazon.co.uk as well. So let's say I was sourcing a product here now. I would go into the full shop directory, and let's say that we want to start from toys and games, for example, and straight away Amazon will bring up the best sellers here. You can see when I'm talking about review, this one has already got 62 review, 2 review, 4 reviews, etc., etc. We can narrow it down now by products that have got like 3 or more stars, and straight away here we can see some of these best sellers. So I'm just gonna open this one up, and I've got some softwares that tell me how many how many times this product would sell. So let me just copy that. Probably my tools are not working because I am on incognito. So I'm gonna go ahead here and paste that link, and here should work. So let's just let it load. So this particular product has got 62 customer review with 4 stars. Bestseller. When I'm talking about bestseller rank, I am talking about something that you can find here down here on the description. So this particular product bestseller rank is #1 in toys and games, right? #1 in dolls and play sets. So I expect that it's got a lot of sales per month. So this particular product is selling 2,247 times per month with an estimated revenue of 48,000 per month. Now these are just estimates based on the sales rank. So if you divide that by 9 people are selling this product, 21.79 is the lowest price. So you could easily find this product by searching Google for it, and it will tell you exactly where this product is sold. So you click on shopping, there you go, and we need to try and find somewhere that is selling it for cheaper than 21.99. So we go here, 21 shops where we could buy from, right? So we got all these places where we could buy that product for cheaper than what is selling here. Although this one might not be the exact same thing, so we need to make sure that we are matching the product. Another thing that you can do is using a tool called Camel, for which I've got the extension here. And I'm gonna click on there. I'm gonna look at this product here. All right, so I'm gonna log in into my account, and I'm gonna get back here. I'm gonna click on Camel, and I want to see this product in there. So let's just view product here, and from here you can actually get the UPC code. So let's just do a little bit of click on the product details there. You can get the UPC code, and you can go on a site, for example, called upcindex.com, and let's see who sells this product. All right, where to buy. There you go again. You go now all the places where you could potentially buy this product, right? So these are some techniques that you can use to find buyers. You can also, by all means, do the other step that I showed you before when you're looking for drop shippers or wholesalers. Let's say that you find this product for £10, right? So let's say that you find it for £10, and by the look of it, you wouldn't make sale price is 21.79, and let's say that you buy it for £10, you will make £3.84 profit with a 38% net payout. Now you're saying just 384? All right, but if you think that this is estimating a sales of 2,247 divided 9 people that are selling, you could be selling this product, let's say 200 times in a month, time that by £3.84 profit. There you go. You're making about £1,000 profit just in one product. What if you've got 20 products? That's what the kind of profit you could be start making in a month. Does it make sense? I hope that answer the question. I've gone through all these steps, explained what the bestseller ranking is, estimated sales per month, which you can also again, let's search on Google how to estimate sales per month on Amazon. You click, you search there, and you can get this. Get the sales estimator Amazon sale on Jungle Scout, and in there you'll put the ranking, the Amazon Marketplace, and Amazon product category, and it tells you calculate the sale in there. Or you can use something called FBA Toolkit, and again in there for free you can just put the ranking in the category that you are searching for. Let's do it. I'm actually in the US there, and I was searching in the UK, but let's see what it gave us just to show you how it works. So we're looking for toys. Might be easier if we do this way. Toys. There you go. So that one was ranking at number 1, for example, probably extensive, but and it says more than 85. Right? Again, every tool gives something different, but these are estimated based on the seller ranking. And again, I was searching in the UK and I did it in the US, but it's just to give you an idea on things that you can do for free, right? So I hope this answered your question. If you liked it, share it with your friends. If you like the information that I'm giving, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and feel free to answer to my emails and subscribe to my list if you are not yet. I'm gonna put the links for everything below, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you on the next video.